So today I'm going to be installing this wig.
Okay, first team scores 3 baskets wins $5.
First thing first, I am going to tone it. I don't need to bleach the knots. The knots are already bleached, so I don't need to bleach the knots. Yeah, so I'm gonna tone it because it's a bit yellow. So we're gonna tone down the yellow using some purple shampoo, and then we're gonna get ready with the install. Okay, so I just toned the wig. You can see the difference. It's not looking so yellow. Yes. And I always recommend washing your wigs first.
Why do you eat the candy?
Which candy?
The candy in the garbage.
I don't know candy. Heat protectant. So one of my New Year's resolution was to start back doing my own hair, and let me tell you, it has been one of the best things I could have ever done. My skills have improved so much. I feel so much more confident in myself. I feel more satisfied with the work that I'm producing now. My clients are even more satisfied, and I just feel so proud of myself. Making this decision to start doing back my own hair has been such a game changer. It is literally the best thing that I could have done. I used to be so afraid whenever I had to use hot tools because I was so scared of burning my clients. Since I started back doing my own hair, it has really helped me so much because I'm able to know how close I can put it to the scalp, how long I can keep it close to the scalp. It's like I've been developing a relationship with my tools and my products. Even though I went to cosmetology school, there are certain things that are not being taught in cosmetology schools, so you have to get additional training. And even though I've gotten additional training, your craft is still your own, so you have to learn how to perfect your craft. And I've just been learning so much. I've been falling in love more and more with my work. I am growing, I am improving, and one thing that I really love is that I'm learning so many new techniques. I'm learning what products work best with each other to give me the results that I want. I love getting reviews and feedback from my clients when they're super satisfied and they're like, oh my God, my hair stayed on for 2 to 3 weeks and it's not coming off, like I had to take it off. I love hearing that. I love to hear when they tell me that their natural hair is not damaged. Nothing makes me feel happier than seeing how healthy their natural hair is and being able to take care of their natural hair. Yes, I love installing wigs, but being healthy and having healthy hair is always my number one goal and priority. I've been learning so much new techniques and I've been incorporating everything that I've been learning, making it into my own, creating something that works for me, that helps me to provide the results that I want for my clients. Like I said, I'm very big on taking care of natural hair, ensuring that your natural hair is protected and not being damaged. So I've created my own techniques, and individuality in this industry is so extremely important. You cannot be like everyone else, and what works for one stylist might not work for you. So it is so important for us to learn what our strong points are, what works for us, and just literally perfecting our own craft and what we love to do. The more you learn, the more you practice. And one thing that I struggled with in the past was finding persons to practice on. And I struggled so much to the point where I just felt like giving up at one point. And the Holy Spirit said to me, well, you're a whole individual. You can practice on yourself. I used to feel like I needed someone to practice on. But then when you make a mistake and you want to fix the mistake, sometimes you have to go over something over and over and over and over. And not everyone is going to have that patience to sit for hours while you literally perfect your craft. So whenever I am trying to achieve a certain result, sometimes I have to redo it over and over and over and over again. And it can take me like a whole entire day to actually perfect something that I want to perfect. Sometimes I change multiple wigs within a day to practice certain styles, to practice certain techniques. And not everyone is going to be willing to go through that journey with you. So the best person to practice on, in my opinion, is yourself. So I've just been enjoying this journey so much, and I'm just so happy to share this with y'all. The best thing you can do is practice on yourself over and over and over and over as much time as you want. There is no one you are going to feel more comfortable and confident with learning on than yourself. Trust me. There's no one who is going to be more patient with you than yourself. So I hope this helps someone. I just want to encourage somebody to be patient with yourself on your journey. You are growing, you are learning every day. And even in the name of perfecting your craft in this industry, there are always new styles, new techniques, new trends, and it takes time. It does take time, and things are always improving and evolving, and you just gotta be patient with yourself. And one thing that I always tell everyone, God is the center of everything that I do. I try to put God first, not all the time because I'm not perfect, but whenever God is in the midst of everything that I'm doing, when God is the center of everything that I'm doing, it always works out better. It works out perfectly. When God is the one who is leading me, guiding me, and giving me instructions on what to do, it always works out better for me. So that is the greatest advice I could give anyone, because yes, I'm learning and I'm growing, I'm evolving and all these things, but it is because of God's help. It's God's help, God's instructions, and I just want to big up God and thanking Him for everything that He has done on this journey, grooming me, preparing me, and helping me, giving me ideas and guidance on how to get where I am and where I am going. So big up God.